Good morning, students. Today we are going to talk about the types of fermentation. Now, second type of fermentation is lactic acid fermentation. And this type of fermentation found in many bacteria. For example, Lactobacillus, Clostridium bacteria species, and muscle cell of human body. Okay, so in Lactobacillus, Clostridium and muscles of human cells, lactic acid fermentation occurs. Let's see process of lactic acid fermentation. In this process, pyruvic acid reduced to lactic acid in the presence of lactic dehydrogenase enzyme. Then NADH2 reduced to NAD plus. Okay, and lactic acid is the end product of fermentation. Now, third type, acetic acid fermentation. This type of fermentation found in Acetobacter aceti bacteria. Okay, so in this process, pyruvic acid which is 3-carbon compound firstly form or reduced to acetaldehyde and CO2 molecules in the presence of decarboxylase enzyme. Further, acetaldehyde which is 2-carbon compound convert into acetic acid. Okay, now fourth type, butyric acid fermentation. And this type of fermentation found in Clostridium Butyricum bacteria, and in this process firstly pyruvic acid form acetic acid. Okay, further acetic acid convert into butyric acid. So in fermentation butyric acid, acetic acid, lactic acid and alcohol compounds are formed, and this process is totally anaerobic. It means in the absence of oxygen. Okay, and it is found in most of fungi, yeast, bacteria and some higher plants. Now we are going to talk about the difference between respiration and fermentation. Difference between respiration and fermentation process. Okay, so we write one side respiration and one side fermentation. Now first difference between respiration and fermentation. Respiration process take place in all living cells. Okay, but fermentation process is not necessary for all living cells. Now second difference, in this process oxygen is required, but in fermentation oxygen is not required. Third difference between respiration and fermentation, in this process hexose sugar or glucose is completely oxidized due to presence of oxygen and CO2 and water molecules are formed. But in fermentation process glucose is incompletely oxidized and CO2, alcohol or organic compounds are formed. Okay. In respiration, water molecules are formed, but in fermentation, water molecules are not formed. It's not formed. Okay. Now, last difference between respiration and fermentation. In this process, high energy amount is synthesized, but in fermentation process, low amount of energy is synthesized in the form of heat. So these are the difference between respiration and fermentation. Respiration is totally aerobic process and fermentation is totally anaerobic process. It means it takes place in the presence of oxygen and it takes place in the absence of oxygen. Respiration found in all living cells and fermentation is not necessary for all living cells because it takes place in some fungi, higher plants and bacteria. In respiration process, CO2, water molecules and ATP are end product, but in fermentation, CO2 and alcohol or organic compounds are end product. Water molecules are formed in respiration process, but water molecules are cannot synthesized in the fermentation process. In respiration, 38 or 36 ATP molecules are formed, but in fermentation, only 2 ATP, which is equivalent to 56 kilocalorie energy, are formed because fermentation is synonyms of anaerobic respiration. Okay. Now we are going to talk about the another pathway for glucose oxidation, which is known as hexose monophosphate pathway or pentose phosphate pathway. So another pathway for glucose breakdown is hexose monophosphate HMP or pentose phosphate pathway PPP. HMP or PPP is the alternative path for glucose oxidation. It is alternative path for glucose oxidation. Okay. Site, it take place in the cytoplasm of the cell. It means site of HMP is cytoplasm. Fully aerobic, it means this pathway take place in the presence of oxygen, and fully enzymatic path. Now, discovered by Warburg and Deacon scientist in animal tissue, because this pathway found in some organisms occurs only in some organisms. So it is not common in all organisms. And this pathway was worked out by this process was worked out by Raker scientist and its co-workers. In the cytoplasm of animals. Okay. So these are the features of HMP or pentose phosphate pathway. So alternative path, it is known as alternative path for glucose oxidation. It is found only in some organisms and cytoplasm, and it is fully aerobic. Okay. Let's see process of HMP. This pathway completed in 3 steps. First, phosphorylation of glucose. Second, oxidation of glucose 6-phosphate, and third step, oxidative decarboxylation of phosphogluconic acid. Okay, so there are 3 steps for HMP or PPB path, because in this pathway 5 carbon product ribulose 5-phosphate is formed. That's why it is known as pentose phosphate pathway. Now firstly we are going to talk about the first step. As you know that phosphorylation of glucose throughout by ATP, so glucose is the 6 carbon sugar and there are 6 molecules of glucose. And 6 ATP molecules are used for phosphorylation in the presence of hexokinase enzyme. It is the similar step of glycolysis. Then glucose molecule converted into glucose 6-phosphate and it is also 6 carbon compound. Then 6 ADP and 6 inorganic phosphate release out. These 6 inorganic phosphates bind with 6 position of glucose. It means 6 carbon of glucose. Now in second step, oxidation of glucose 6-phosphate glucose 6-phosphate oxidize and form gluconic acid in the presence of glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase enzyme. Okay, then 6 NADP plus reduced to 6 NADPS2. Okay, and phosphogluconic acid is also 6 carbon compound. Now third step, oxidative decarboxylation of phosphogluconic acid. Decarboxylation means release of CO2 molecules from phosphogluconic acid. Let's see. Phosphogluconic acid, which is 6 carbon and there is 6 molecule. in the presence of phosphogluconic acid, decarboxylase enzyme convert into ribulose 5-phosphate and release 6 CO2 molecules. As we know that ribulose 5-phosphate is 5-carbon sugar. So in the end of HMP, 5-carbon compound form complete oxidation of glucose. That's why it is also known as pentose phosphate pathway. And in this process, 6-NADPS2 NAD plus reduced to 6-NADPS2 and release 6 CO2 molecules from 6 molecule of phosphogluconic acid. बिकॉज यहाँ पे 6 molecules ही यूज हो रहे हैं तो 6 CO2 molecules बनेंगे. Now production rate of HMP. ATP production 6-NADS2 in third step and 6-NADS2 in second step. So total 12-NADPS2 are formed in HMP and these are equivalent to 36 ATP molecules through electron transport system. So in HMP pathway or PPP pathway, total 36 ATP molecules are synthesized. Okay. And ribulose 5-phosphate, which is formed in the end of HMP, used in alternative intermediate compound synthesis. Example: like formation of DNA, RNA, ATP, coenzyme A, FAD. Okay, because ribulose 5-phosphate is 5-carbon sugar and it is used in DNA, RNA, ATP, coenzyme and FAD formation, and 36 ATP molecules are used in metabolic activities of the cell. But this pathway is not common in all living cells because it is found in only some organisms. So 36 ATP of complete oxidation of glucose are synthesized in HMP are similar to Krebs cycle and glycolysis process. As you know that in glycolysis 8 ATP molecules are synthesized. In link reaction 6 ATP are synthesized, and in Krebs cycle 15 ATP molecules are synthesized. So total 38 or 36 ATP molecules are synthesized through glycolysis and Krebs cycle.